Samuel Sebukari umuhango mu by'amategeko ku rwo mu State House and Corruption Unit ayorekero kwato habwa project ya mize yakitwera kushango mu Rugando eyahindwirwe katwarwa kashuru mugombora yandija aba ministry batarakumanya.
The heart is good, but procedure, especially in the government offices. That's why we keep making arrests and we said I was being biased. But wherever there is a issue of procedure, we personally like
aba bahikira ha project ya kashuru emaziroho miliyoni ziri kurenga rukaga ubwa hateremerera ba district ha kubanenda miliyoni ziri kwika bishatu zo kutambuza mizi kwiko mu bantu ezibatine.
We hand over this project to National Water and it does the continuous implementation and the one again.
And the second?
Or we hand it over to Southwestern Umbrella to also do the same, because those are the two organs in addition to the community management.
I've discussed with our chairperson that we now negotiate on how we can either partner but not hand over. Because when you totally hand over what you have owned and already spent thrice as much money.
Aba bashyire na hatanka ya reserve eri kushango mu cyaro cya Rurenga eyibashangira mizi gatarmu.
Ni corruption ninga cyo bakwita ubunyagi. Njucere misa mizi gitukora ki? Kushika akwa first time amizo bagati ko mutanga amazu bagargaga kiju. Umuciro cyumwe amize gabani kiju. Konga kija haba hishonga yo kunyaga umuntu wabanze kusinda kaki amize.
It touched somewhere in the system and water refused to come here. That's when it stopped coming here. So, and we have always asked Mr. Andrew, engineer, that can you talk to the contractor?
Solution, chairperson, you are part of the solution now. Have we started a meeting? Have we paid all of them?
No, we have not paid.
Why don't we call to Have original contractor, no go subcontractor, to get a representative w'abantu, bakija ba customer office ya RDC, tukija ha ground.
Aba bakiri na hacumbeko cya buteraniro nyihanga tabona kanso aho miliyoni nkaga na mushanzuremerwa kucyumaririza kandi hariyeze miliyoni mwenda zikabuza misho.
For me, I'm only 6 months. I never got my handover report. We have it as a record. We are not arresting you. If we are going to arrest you, if you want me the arresting period, we don't talk.
Ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.